Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. Today's video is a Carlin White inspired. Somewhere on the internet, one day I was just watching drum videos and I came across some madness. And I was like, okay. What's all this madness? I have to learn this madness. So I learned the madness. And as you can see, we need to share madness. You can't have it on your own. So I'm sharing with you. So take it and go and be mad. This fill is going to be in two parts. The first is just the fill, and the second part is like a variation of the fill. We'll break everything down. But first, let's watch the fill again, because obviously the intro was short. So let's break down this fill into little bits so it can be manageable, bite-sized pieces, so you can chew and swallow and digest it and disseminate it on the inside of your inside. You catch my meaning? Are you catching what I am throwing at you? All right. So the first thing you need to do to be able to play this fill is to hit the like button. Second thing is to hit the subscribe and the bell. When you like this video, it tells the YouTube algorithm that this video is a good video, so they can promote it. Then we can keep making more videos. So it's a digital pattern. By digital pattern, I mean the left hand is ghosted and the right is accented. I talk a little bit about accent and ghost in the card above, so check it out. But it's pretty much just a right hand accent and ghosts on your left. You can practice that just on its own and just go around the kit with it. Until you feel comfortable. Then we move to the next part. So the next part is like this. So pay attention to how the movement of the hands are and what hand goes over what hand, and the left goes under the right. Not like this, it's like this. So it helps you come back and out of the movement. Makes it very fluid and very smooth like water. So when you're able to do that, then you combine the first one and this one, put it together, then so I forgot to say, you will need to add 2 more notes to this pattern. So coming from the floor tom, you would bring your left hand to the snare drum and play 2 diddles. That is 2 ghost notes. So you would play the pattern, then 2 ghost notes on the snare with your left hand. So put together, it would look like this. The entire pattern and the ghost notes put together would look like this. So the ghost note side of the fill, when you're coming back to the snare drum, you don't come with so much force. You come as if you're just dropping the stick, like you're just dropping the stick like this. So as you can see, it's just like so that it ends up being a ghost note. But if you come back and hit it twice, it would not sound like a ghost note. But that part is a ghost note. So it has to come back and just drop itself and control it with your fingers, drop and rebound and hold it up. So it makes two diddle sounds, diddle sounds. Yeah, why is this funny to me? Yeah, that is the trick to do it. So when you're coming back, diddle. So you hit, diddle, diddle. That's pretty much it. So when you put everything together,
This player is trying to show off and he makes a mistake. Shake my head.
this is the first variation of the fill. Second variation of the fill, you take this part and loop it on itself into a fill. And it sounds like this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button. Random solo section coming up.
Now has primary control with critical vehicle functions.
That's all right. That's all right.